went through the open space. Be there. I guess you're the king. I'm going to be the Frosty, be the queen.
Oh, what's that from
Yeah.
in there?
Yep, about 50 metres. You're moving towards the swamp. Andy's gone into the swamp.
Yeah.
Hit! Medic!
Already hit?
Might be able to go behind you. You can use a meat shield. Bleeding out!
Oh, so we've got 3 minutes in back in front.
Yeah, we're about ready to go.
Yep.
Going low. Hit! Thank you, sir. Thank you. He's just on that far tree. Hit! Alright, 2-minute countdown. I think we all got taken by the same guy. He's got the right shield. Nicely done. I got no cards. No cards. I haven't got one. Have fun. I don't think we've got anyone alive. This Luke's still going. No. Oh! Not our team. Go for Nathan. 10. There was 2 of them over there, I think. Has Andy got a card? You got a card there, Andy? Right?
Get out,
Where's from, Luke? Where's from, Nathan?
get there, walk in. Pull that camera on the side too.
Coming on from the side. Hit! Yep, I got one red, I got a red 8.
Hit.
Five and 10. It's alright. There's quite a few coming in from there.
What card you got?
I got an ace, a spade, ace of hearts.
You got ace of hearts?
Yes.
Well, with one then.
You want me to call it?
Yo, come over here, mate. Yo, come over here.
Do you want me to call
Because
it?
I got a jack. He's got an ace, a king. What has he got? We've got a... Didn't you have a queen?
Nah.
You had a queen.
Nah. Shit. We need a queen.
We need a queen.
And a
Queen.
10.
We need a red queen.
A red queen and a 10.
You got off that guy, eh? Red 10.
Red 10.
Yeah, all right, man. Red queen, yes, game off.
Game off, game off. We have our full suit. Game off, game off. Game off! That was Sellers. Hit. Nicely done. I got you on film hitting me for a change. The most energetic. You should be carrying Papabear.
Gate, we'll call game.
Your gun broke. I got that on film too, Nick. I put that just after you shoot me.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Run.